Oh, went for it. Say something into your mic. So, hello, my name is Tom.
Hello.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Bandit's trying to get involved in the video. Having a session at Iris Boulders today, but want to first quickly talk to you about a sponsor of this video and remind you that we are coming to Europe in 3 weeks. So if you haven't actually booked a UK clinic yet, check my Instagram bio link as registrations are open across England. So can't wait to see you there. This video is sponsored by Tom and Anna's Finger Injuries. As you guys know, I have a bone spur on my finger, which I've had for years. And basically I've been maintaining that with shockwave therapy, which I've been having at my chiro every week for the past 2 years, which has kept the finger at bay, no pain, bone spur not growing. And I was starting to get a little bit worried about this going away because that would mean I won't have the shockwave therapy. So this actually came at a really good time that this company reached out to me. Second to that, Tom has a bad finger injury and he's had it for about 12 weeks. So you guys might have heard about red light therapy before. There's actually fantastic research for hand injuries in general, rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, trigger finger, tendon pain. So this is called the Usuie hand glove. So it is an LED glove. It's red and infrared light therapy. So the research is good. So we're going to see if we can maintain our finger health on this trip. Basically, that's what it looks like. You have to have this plugged into an outlet. You're going to leave it in there for, I believe it's 20 minutes. So you can use it every day, I believe, but I think we're going to use it 2 or 3 times a week and see how that goes. Let me talk to you about what this glove can do. So it can speed up absorption of minerals to the joints, increase collagen production, repair skin, relieve hand pain, relieve stiffness and swelling, reduce inflammation, enhance blood circulation. So we all know circulation is healing. We need blood and it's very hard to get circulation to your hands. So anything that you can do to help that. As well, we know collagen is really good for your joints and your cartilage in general. That's why most climbers will take collagen or some sort of collagen supplement. So let's plug this bad boy in and give it a whirl. I've heard basically people say that just even after one session they felt the difference with this. So I'm going to sit here for 20 minutes. Tom's going to sit here for 20 minutes and yeah, let's see how this goes.
Not bad.
Let
3 weeks to get this 100%.
Let the healing begin. Oh dear!
Shut up!
What was that? Are you going to blame the old shoes? Probably,
Yes.
Probably going to blame the shoes.
Look at
Hang
those.
on. Yeah, got it.
My ugly big toe.
Well, that's what you get for leaving your shoes at Urban. Who's going to collect them?
Ow!
Probably be better off in higher shoes at this stage. Oh dear.
I've lost it. I've lost my mojo.
I'll show you how to do that one.
Okay.
Oh, oh, oh. That's one way to do it.
Oh my goodness. Ow. Ow.
Oh dear. Oh dear. Why don't you try having your right foot where your left foot is? And then flagging. Yeah. And now stepping your left foot through to the small chip. And now right toe on. And then hips in and go.
Scary stuff.
Double checking that the camera's on you. I got it.
What do they put all these holes in these ones?
Nice little flash. Man, I'm pretty strong. Do you have your mic? Oh dear.
I don't think I've had it on the whole time. Not since I took my singer off. Well, this top's not very, can't hide much in this top. Yeah, I'm not going to span that, but whatever. Get my left foot up here instead. Oh my God. Oh my God. My, oh, my right knee is so bad.
Then go right hand and jump left hand.
It's not a jumping hold, babe.
No, I meant go to this one with your right hand.
Oh, I can't do anything with this right knee. I can't pivot on it at all. I have no power in the right knee to like stand, and I know that's what I need to do. Oh, I'm so cold. I can't climb with clothes on, but I'm so cold. Whoops.
What an idiot.
Were you laughing at yourself?
Yeah. I've done this.
Another like strange jump on the right leg or what? Did you just do that bad?
No, you could do that a whole heap of ways.
Okay. What's that for?
Yeah, I told you I did it a crazy way, I think.
So you meant to go down and jump to both?
Probably.
I see why you did it though, because that's very far. It's too late to down climb. Oh, okay. I don't think I did that any better. Oh well. What is he doing?
Mate, we've got to get you strong.
What is he doing? What are you doing?
Look,
Impossible beta that I have to be like.
No, do my beta. Do the short.
Impossible beta?
No, he's a huge human. Do my beta.
all I'm saying is this.
Telling me to start with my foot.
Why can't you do this?
My feet strength is not that strong.
Yeah, but that doesn't help you for the next move.
Okay.
I like my beta.
Your beta is definitely intense. Your beta.
This looks weird. It's like a strange traverse on slopers. Yeah, no man's land, Tom.
This is some of my best climbing.
But it's an unpleasant boulder, if I'm honest. It's matching everything.
That's pretty impressive. Like,
just the fact that you stayed on.
I saved it. Really.
You were off like 3 times. We're just shit.
It's my human day. It's my
just
human
shit
day.
today.
Happens.
I don't know if I'm just climbing really bad because of the knee and not feeling it. That was an uncomfortable climb.
The stats are terrible. I'm a pulley. Yeah. Oh, he's back. He's back with amazing send.
See that position that Tom just put his right foot on and put heaps of tension in it? I can't do that, so that's why I'm
No excuses, babe.
crap. No, I'm just explaining. Like, it's not immediately obvious, but I can't tension my foot like that at all. We'll try the 12 then, the yellow 12, I think. No? What do you mean?
It's too hard.
No, we've got the Usuie glove, so you can smash the fingers.
Oh, yeah.
Why is the shutter speed 1/25? I underestimated how far that was and didn't give it enough.
Can't be swearing.
Did I swear?
That was genuine trying.
Was that trying? Oh, you're not joking?
Ah, dear.
Are you joking or are you actually...
No excuses.
Yeah,
no
you won't let me
No
complain
excuses.
about a torn LCL.
I'm gonna let Wally go.
Only. This is not from the start, guys, but... Oh, okay. Good effort.
Yeah, probably like a 7 up until that point. And then it's like a 15.
What, when you jumped on, from where you jumped on?
What? You didn't capture my start?
No.
Oh. Shame, yeah. I was just fumbling with the start. Obviously got it.
Okay. No, it wasn't good. It was more like kind of like just smeared it. Like I didn't actually use it. Whoop. Oh, went for it. That is really sharp and unpleasant to fall off. No, that's better. Sorry, I don't know. I had it on a weird thing for the... Oops. Sorry about that, guys. It had a weird shutter speed. It was on... Tom had clicked the wrong button. What is he doing? that's a scary neighbour. Oh my goodness. Oh my days. Nice.
Apparently she's sending. Stay tuned.
To change my beta so I could not use my right leg, and now I've busted my finger and need to go use my Usuie mitt.